Travel for Mortals, we just finished the Toyota Commemorative Museum of Industry and Technology. This is a really well done museum. It talks about Toyota Group, the founding of Toyota. Toyota originally started out doing manufacturing of textiles, textile production, weaving, yarn production, and then the founder's son moved into the automotive industry using a lot of the innovation that they developed with textiles. Really cool museum in Nagoya. You definitely got to make time to check this place out. Sophia the Gender, what do you think?
It was really nice.
It was really good. We probably spent about 2 or 3 hours here. Probably going to spend another hour, but we got other things we got to do. So anyway, Travel for Mortals, check it out. So we're making our way through the textile production, and there is just so much in here. It is just so overwhelming. They have a recommended route, which is this yellow line, but this is just basically an empty warehouse where they used to do production, and it's filled with tons of information about how they turn cotton into fabric. They have a lot of live mechanical models. You push the button. It is just crazy. Looks like it attaches two different fabrics together. So that is the air splicer, which takes two threads and ties them together automatically. All right, we finished up the textile. It's a huge area. The recommended route takes about 45 minutes. We spent an hour. You could probably spend much longer. Entering into the automotive pavilion. As you come into the automotive pavilion, they have the timeline of Toyota Automotive Company or the group of companies. They have a metal forging fabrication workshop, and they have a display of all the tools that you need to actually form things and make things out of metal. And we're waiting. They do a metal part manufacturing demonstration every 10 minutes. All right, the gentleman is about to demonstrate drop hammer forging. You take that piece of metal on the right, the cylinder, and basically hit it with a hammer until they get it into that shape, the connecting rod shape, and then cut it out.
これで1200度でなったんですね。3回プレスを。あちらのモニターがここの器具映します。3回の大きな音がします。まず1つ目、洗みが。次に仕上げが。最後はバリ抜きが。こうやって3回プレスすると、さっき説明したみたいにこの時出来上がる。こういうものの作り方を。
Now we have a connecting rod.
これが普通サイズ。車サイズ。材料も大きくなる。今120トンでしたけども、この普通サイズになると2500トンということです。
Alright guys, I'm kind of freaking out. We just came into the moving forward part of the automobile exhibition of the museum, and it's really impressive. I'm kind of losing my focus here. They've got the whole manufacturing process for vehicles. They got an automated production line down there with all the robotics. They got the chassis installation onto the powertrain here. This is really cool. All right, this is serious. You got to push two buttons. This is a automated welding machine. Here's another welding production machine. Okay, this machine does the automatic mounting of the chassis to the frame. This is described as being very labor intensive. And then there you can see the jigs that are going to drill the holes for the fasteners going up. High tech. All right, we got this 600-ton press here. Push the button, let's do it. This is making connecting rods. That's a piece of machinery right there. All right, this is a production line for finishing engine block castings. So after they forge the crankshafts, they have a elaborate machining process to finish them off. They got tons of cars also. About 2/3 of the floor space is dedicated to the production technology. All right, I'm getting super excited. They've got pavement design, including cross section of the pavement layers, the built up layers. I concrete, super pave, got some super pave here. All right, this is, we call this Ko-Ryu. This is the old school engineering. They're designing it all by hand on the boards. Got our drafting tools here. Hand calculator to crunch the numbers. Man, you thought your homework was hard? Man, you just look that stuff on Google now. More engine tech, evolution of individual engine components, exhaust manifolds, improvements in the crankshaft, cylinder head design. This is the first one from 1935 to these dual overhead cam, aluminum headed motors, metallurgy improvements. It's a pretty impressive. Here's where we get the rare earth elements and different types of elements that you need to produce a vehicle, where they're used.